All right. Well, hello everyone. Thanks for joining. Apologies for being a little bit late this morning. But we've got a great Workout Wednesday live stream going on today, so I'm excited to be here if this is your first time. I do this every week, generally on Fridays around this time, around 10 a.m., and basically what happens is we go from data to dashboard, going through the most recent Workout Wednesday challenge for Tableau. And we've got a great challenge by Erica this week. We are taking a look at the, let's see here, where are we at? There we go, Tableau. Whoop. Let's see here, nope, we want, oh yeah. Let's see. Nope, you're just seeing my, let's do this. Turn this off. Nope. Properties. There we go. There we go. Okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into the challenge here. So, doing year-over-year calculations, and for different countries in Germany, or in different countries, right? So, in different countries. So, that's what we're going to be taking a look at today. We're using a new version, or a different version of Superstore. We're going to be using the EU version. So, the majority of times when we do this, we typically use the US version, but Erica said, let's no longer do that. Let's use the EU version, which is great. So let's do that. Let's sign in here real quick, and we'll get this data set, and we'll just we'll download this. Download. No thanks. And here we go. Let's see. It's an XLS file, so we'll go connect to Microsoft Excel. And there is our EU. Drag in our people. Nope, not people. Oh, there we go. Orders. Just like that. There we go. Bingo. Here we go. And let's go ahead and jump into it. Excuse me. And so what we need to do is we have, let's see what different countries we have here. We've got a lot of different countries. That's cool. Wow, they have a lot. This might be a fun little data set to play with. Okay, but the real question is, who is their top customer? Customer name by sales. Looks like it's going to be the same people. And that will make me happy. No! Am I even in this one? So I'm in the US version. Let's see, filter. Am I even in this one? I am, but where am I? I don't know. Alright, well, we'll have to figure that out later. But in the US version, I am still number one. So that still works. Okay. Anyway, let's get back to business here. Okay, so we are going to do, says we need 2 sheets. Interesting. We'll see what we do there. But essentially what we need to do is, let's see, year over year. So I'm assuming that each one of these, here, let's just jump in. Let's just dive into this. So we have, let's dive into the actual here, right? So this is, if I'm assuming, okay, so so a line is a country. All right. A line is a country, and okay, France, Germany, Italy, different colors. Okay, different colors for each. So this is where that other sheet is. And Spain and United Kingdom. All right, cool. So we'll leave that there. And we only look at one year at a time. And it says, and then she said, watch out for nulls and your, so that should stay the same. Okay, all right, so let's do this. All right, so let's create a parameter, and we'll call it P year. It will be an integer, and it will be 2017, or it'll be 2018, right? That's what it defaulted to. There we go, 2018, current value, display format, custom or current number, no decimal places, display units none, custom. Let's get rid of these commas. Just like that. Okay? So now it actually looks like 2018, right? It actually looks like a year. All right. And we want this to be a list. And we will add values from... Nope, we won't. We'll just go ahead and do this, right? So 2017, 2018, 2019. Yep, that's it, just 3 years. I have to go back into this. Numbers, 0 decimal places, custom, remove the commas. Just like that. There we go. Okay. Alright, next, let's do a date filter. Date filter. P year equals year of order date. Put that in there, like that. Then we'll do order date here on columns. We'll do month. Let's see. Yep, that looks good. We'll put sales. And we'll do... I'm actually, since I don't need the hierarchy, I'm going to remove it so I don't accidentally get anything here. Country there, yeah, that looks good. But we only need France, France, Germany, Italy. So let's do a data source filter on country. France, Germany, Italy. France, Germany, Italy. Netherlands, Spain, and UK. Those go, everything else drops out. That's good, that's what we want. Now we'll do show our parameter. Make sure this is changing. Everything changes. Uh-oh. Okay, let's see what 27. What happens when we go to 2019? Interesting. Well, what are the order dates that we have here? Well, that's why. I don't... Alright, well, hold on, let's think about this. No, I can't have. I gotta have... So let's go in here, let's edit this. This will actually be 2016. Move that up. There we go. 2016. 2017. 2018. Okay. Yep. Okay. It says watch out for null. Okay, alright. So I think this looks good. 2016. Okay. Now, let's go, what are we going to do here? We need to do another parameter for country. We'll call this P country. And it's going to be a string value, it's going to be a list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. And we want it to be okay. It'll be, well, let's do it here. France, Germany, Italy. Okay. France. Oh, I wanted to be an integer actually. France. Germany. Italy. Actually, we'll change this to a string. Let's just cancel this. Let's just redo it, because I know what I'm going to do here. Parameter P country string Germany as a list. France. Francie. Germany. Italy. Netherlands. Spain. UK. United Kingdom. There we go. And the default value would be Germany. And then we'll do current we'll do parameter, no, we'll do calculated field. This will be country check. And this will be P country equals country. So we'll get true or false. So now whenever I put this on color, we'll get, also we want true to be on top, so we'll change the Z order of that so that our true will always be on top. Now, whenever I show my country parameter and I switch between them, you can see I get different highlights. But let's go look at this again. We have different colors, right? We have different colors for each one. So how are we going to do that, right? And we can't put country, right? We can't put country on there because if we do, so let's change this to detail. Let's change this to color. Now we get 4 different colors, or we get 6 different colors. And that's okay, but not really, because now whenever I switch my country parameter, I don't know which one I'm highlighting, right? So what we need to do is we need to create a combined field. So there's 2 ways you can do that. One, you can just put each one, you can just select, so you can see here I've got country check on detail and I've got country on color. I want 2 fields on color, so I can go here and I can click color. So what you do there is you just click this little icon here, and you click that, and it says, what do you want to call it? Color. And now you can see I've got 2 different fields here. That's one way you could do it. The other way that you could do it, I will remove that from country. Oh, nope, I need to keep that on country. I need to keep country on detail because I want a row for every country. I can actually now remove this. I'll change this back to detail. And actually, I'm going to show you a different way that you can do this. One is, so I showed you can put 2 marks on color, how to do that. But the other way that I'm going to do this is I'm going to over in the data window, I'm going to select country check. I'm also going to select, with holding my command or control key, country. So I have both of those selected. Now I click the little chevron and I go to create combined field. And that creates a single field of each of those. That basically concatenates, right? That would be the exact same thing as actually writing a calculation that says country check plus whatever, right? Country, right? But you can also just do a combined field. So then we'll go in here, and now we'll drop this onto color, and now I'm back to having a bunch of different colors. Now the hard part, not hard, now the difficult part is to go here and click on Edit Colors. Change all of the falses is going to be this gray color, right? Maybe that gray color. All right, France. What did we say France was? Blue. Okay, good. So we'll go to automatic. There we go. Blue. Click OK. There we go. Go to our next one. Click on color. So you do have to do this every single time. Wait, what's happening here? Oh, false France. Okay, yeah. So again, change all of your falses. Anything that's false changes to gray. Your true is going to be the next color, which is red. Go down to Italy. Color. Edit colors. This is that color. True Italy. What is Italy? Let's take a look. Italy is green. Okay. Italy is green. And then we'll do Netherlands. What color is the Netherlands? Orange. Okay. That makes sense. Spain. What color is Spain? Yellow. So we'll keep that. That's good. And we'll do. And then the next one, the last one, is the United Kingdom, and I think it was purple. I saw. Purple. There it is. Purple. Bingo, bingo. Edit colors for United Kingdom. Purple. Applying. There we go. Now, next thing we need to do is make sure our true is at the very top of every single one of these instead of at the bottom. And again, what this is going to do is it changes the Z order of our lines. So the colored color is always on top. There we go. All right, let's see. It looks like we've also got this country check on size. Whoa. Nope. We have not the concatenated field, but just the check field on size. Okay, so let's change the size a little bit. Yep, that looks good. And it looks like we also have some markers on here, so we'll do that. And it looks like she's not using the default markers. Ah, yes, because as you can see here, we only have markers on the correct field. Right? So let's take that off. And we're actually going to do a calculated field to if country check, then country. All right. And, or no, this is, selected country. And, oh no, not country, sales. Selected country sales. Click OK. So if country check, if our country parameter equals a country in our data set, return the sales number, else nothing. Therefore, whenever I drag this to be I only get, right? I only get those. And because it copies everything with it, all the colors are preserved. We'll get rid of this null. We will do, and change instead of a line, we'll do circles. Bump the size of the circles up nope. Let's go back. We need to remove that on size. Now we can come up and we can bump these up a little bit, right? And we'll dual axis. Tableau thinks that anytime you do a dual axis, Tableau will automatically put measure names on color. We don't want that, so we'll go to the all mark, and we'll just remove the measure names from color, and everything goes back to normal. And that makes us happy, right? Now we will uncheck show header, so we get rid of that. Okay. All right. So let's look at the interactivity here, right? So there it is. Okay. All right. So now what we need to do, let's go back to Germany. Germany. Okay, so I think what we can actually do here. So now you can see here in the tooltip we have the percent change, right, from previous year. So everything here looks good so far. But what we're going to do is we're actually going to change this back to year. And we're going to let's see here. What am I trying to do here? I want if I remove that, and I'll do this. Things are going to look weird for a minute. Let's change this here. Let's remove quarters so we have one for month. Then we'll go down here to, what are we going to do? Oh, okay. Well, yeah, that's all right. What we can do here is, so up to this point, things look a little funky, right? So let's, so what we are going to do is we need to figure out how to, let's see here. Hold on. Let me think about this. Yeah. Okay. So we're actually going to go back to, we're going to go back. And because I've filtered out the data, we're not going to be able to do what I was wanting to do, because we have to figure it, because the hard part here is figuring out these tooltips, right? Because I'm only showing one period. I'm only showing the time that I'm only showing the periods that I'm doing here. So what I think I'm actually going to do, I'm going to change this date filter, and I'm going to do P equals Y parameter year equals year of order date, or P year equals let's see, do we have any comments? Nope. Okay, good. What we're actually going to do here is Go back here. There we go. All right. Year of order date minus 1. Click apply. Now you can see we have 2 years of data in here. I only want 1. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to, this is where now I'm going to change this to discrete year, open up to month, open up to quarter, remove that. So now what I've got is I've got my previous year, I've got my current year that I'm showing, and I'm showing the previous year in here, right? And this still works. Let's see. $2018. What did I do here? Did I do +1? I didn't want to. Yeah, -1. So on 2018, I should see 2 years. I should see 2018 and 2017. But I'm only seeing it there. Okay, what's happening here? This should be okay. Let's look at this. So let's look at why I should see 2016 and 2015. Does that make any sense to you? Parameter year 2016 equals the year of order date +1. Okay. Is that why she had 2019 here? Yeah. I hate when I use the wrong button. Yeah, because it's not, because 2019 doesn't exist. I don't know. That doesn't make any sense to me, but whatever. Okay. 16, 17, 18. Okay. All right. Now, okay. So what I'm going to do now is on this. This is going to look weird for a minute, so just bear with me here. But what we're going to do is we are going to do on some of sales, we're going to do a quick table calculation, and we're going to do year-over-year growth. And things are going to look weird, yep, because it's going to be a percentage, right? And so let's just go ahead and do that for this one too. Percent year-over-year. Nope, I used the wrong one. Year-over-year growth. There we go. And 300%. We have to figure out our compute using on previous edit table calculation. Okay. So, the United Kingdom. Let's look at the United Kingdom. Yeah. Okay. All right. Good. So we can see that, right? So we see this giant spike in the United Kingdom for the most recent year, right? So what we're going to do is okay. Yep. All right. So this should work. Okay. So what we're going to do. So we've got this working, right? But what we're going to do now is we're going to drop this. We're going to keep that here. We're going to drop that on tooltip, right? So, because we're going to have that in our, just like that. Okay. All right. So we've got each of those in our tooltips. Now we'll just go back and we'll just clear the table calculation and go back to normal. And then what we can do, right? So we still have 2 years worth of data showing, but let's go here and we'll filter our table calculation to only show non-null values. And that gets rid of the previous year because, or the previous period, because as you saw in the previous one, everything was null, right? So whenever I filter out all those null values, I just get the 1 year. And now, if I do, just to make sure this is working, right? So on 2018, 2018, 2017, 2017, 2018, 2018. So, as you can see, what we're doing, right? So this is a great use of figuring out the level of using out the Tableau order of operations, right? Where you're using a table calculation measure. So it's happening very, very low in the order of operations. So that's how we're able to get everything to still look right. Okay, so right here, this is what she talked about, right? She talked about watch out for the null values here. So first year. Yep. So we need to figure out how to so this is what she's talking about. We need to, there is no value here for October for the Netherlands. See, there's two values here that are, there are two values in here that are nulls. So let's do format. Nope. Nope. Okay. So let's do Z in. Let's see what that does. Nope. How about over here? There we go. So we'll just do the same over here. So I'm just I'm zeroing out the nulls. I'm converting nulls to zeros here. What? Oh. Yeah, I see why that happens. But let's do filter this to 0. Filter non-null values. Nope, don't like that. Okay. So I get that. I understand that because how about sum of selected country? How about, yeah, selected country sales. Let's Z it. Let's Z in here. No. Okay, so why are we getting so the issue that I'm running into now is because we've got this dot here. If I do that on Netherlands, what shows up? Okay, so there you go. I just needed to figure out what happened, right? So she does not have a dot on these null values, right? So that's what we'll do. And that's 100, that's 100. Okay, good. All right, so see how we did that? So I just Z in, I just basically zeroed out the nulls. And there we go. Just like that. Okay? And now everything's working. So let's go back to 2018 and Germany. There we go. And we'll do, so now we can just kind of clean this up, right? So we'll hide that header. We'll hide that. We will format to remove all of our borders. There we go. We'll change this to null out the zeros. Or get rid of that. Change this to just the abbreviation. And get rid of our format null 0 line, get rid of the zeros. There we go. Now we can go in here, we'll make our circles a touch smaller. There we go. That looks good. And there we go. Next we'll just have to, so we want country. Let's see, we want, yeah, so let's do order date as detail at the continuous month, of course. Okay. Let's do create custom date. Month is the date part. Format, default properties format as the full name. Put that on detail. Whoa, that ain't good. Fine. We'll do it on the tooltip. There we go. So now, when we go into here, so now we don't need this month on tooltip. We don't need, well, let's see here, country check, we don't need, country we do need, what else? Country. check. Nope. Country check. Let's see. Country check. Okay, we'll go in here and we'll format this again to be there we go. Okay, so now we'll come in here to tooltip and we'll start to clean all this up, right? So we'll do, let's see what it is. Country. Month. Year. Sales. Percent change since. Percent change since matter of previous year. And that's going to be the difference of some sales. Commands. There it is, just like that. Cool? Cool. All right. Oh, we'll do, yeah, all right. Cool, there it is. And then for here, we'll do, and then the next sheet, clear this. Country, default properties, color, France is blue, Germany is red, Italy green, Netherlands orange, Spain yellow, United Kingdom purple. Click apply, click OK, country on text, country check on color. Nope. Country on color as well. There. Change this to 12 medium. Click OK. Country check is true. There we go. We'll go over here. Do blank. 20. Nope. Vertical. 20. Blank. Text box. 15. 3 week 3. Year over year percent change. horizontal. And we'll have sheet 1 down below. Get rid of those. Get rid of those. Get rid of this. There we go. Okay, so we'll do a text box up here. That'll be P year sales in hide the title. Width to 40, 30, 35, 34, 34. 34 looks good. 34, edit width 34, edit width 75. Nope. More than that. 85. Nope. 100. Too much. 90. There we go. No. There. 12. Medium. 14. Okay. So right now we just fiddle with this until we get it looking right. Nope. 140. There we go. One more text box. And this will be, nope, cancel. This will be the sheet. Right there. Oh, nope. Right there. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Entire view. Fit width. Edit width. 50. There we go. There we go. Bingo bango. All done. Thanks so much. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you enjoyed this challenge. This one. Hey there. Hope you enjoyed that challenge. That was really fun. Had a lot of fun with it. Learned a lot, and a lot of different elements. Lots of filtering, table calculations, custom calculations, parameters, lots of stuff. So, great challenge, Erica. Loved it, and hope you learned something. Hope you got something out of this. Thanks for watching. Give me a like, give me a follow, give me a subscribe. That'd be great. And we'll see you next week. Go forth and viz.